All right, love, so we are gonna be looking at the page that has number 29 and number 30 on it. So we're gonna start here. Mrs. Olson has 1/8 acre of land divided into 6 equal parts. What is the size of each part? I want you to pause the video and I want you to try to solve it on your own and then come back and see if you got the right answer. If you don't have the right answer, then you'll just change it and correct it so it is correct. So go ahead and pause it now. Okay, so let's see if we got the same answer. And Cheyenne's helping me out by holding the camera, so if it's a little shaky, I apologize, but she's gonna do her best to move with me. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my, or actually I'm not gonna draw my picture first. Miss Renfro has lost her mind. So first I've gotta look at the problem. I see that I have a total of 1/8 acres of land. So I have 1/8 acres of land and I'm splitting it into 6 equal parts. So I know that's division. So I have 1/8 divided by 6. So I'm gonna draw my box, if you're a box human, and I'm gonna split it into 8 pieces. So I've got 2, I've got that many. So I'm at 4 right now. And then I'm gonna split this one, and I should have 8. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome sauce. All right, now I have to take one of my other colors and I'm gonna shade in my 1/8 of a piece. And then it tells me I've gotta split my 1/8 into 6 pieces. So it's in 2 right now, then I'm gonna put that there, then I'm gonna put that there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, nope, not enough. Put that there, put that there. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I lost track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there we go. And then I've got to divide it all the way across because all my pieces have to be the same. And then I'll find my answer in this piece right here. So I have, my answer will be 1 piece out of, and then I would go through and count all these little boxes. So it should be 48. If you're a keep, change, flip human, you have 1/8 divided by 6. I'm gonna keep, change, flip. So this number stays the same. Change this to multiplication. And then I'm going to flip my whole number. So I'd have this. I multiply across the top. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 6 is 48. So that's my answer. So I'm gonna look back at my answer choices now. And I'm gonna look, do I see it? Ah, there it is. It's like magic. All right, so how's your arm doing, Cheyenne?
Fine.
Are you good? Okay, one more. So number 30, the table shows the height of 10 seedlings. So height of seedlings, seedling, height in inches. Which dot plot represents this data? So I've gotta find which one of these guys shows me all of this. So I'm gonna start doing this. 1 1/4. Well, let's find a graph that has a 1 1/4 somewhere. Well, this one has a 1. Let's see, it's all split into fourths. This would be 1 1/4, and there's nothing there. So I know this one can't be it. Let's check at this one. Well, it's got something there, doesn't it? Okay, so maybe. Let's look at this one. Oh, there's something there, so this could be it too. Let's look at this one. There's something there, so maybe this is the right answer. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna mark this one off, and then I'm gonna go mark off the little dot that matches it. So this dot matches it. This dot matches it. This dot matches it. All right, so I go to the next one. It has to have a dot at 2. Well, this one has a dot at 2. Let's see, this one has a dot at 2. So does this one. So we're not any closer. We checked off the 2s. Now we go look, another 1 1/4. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1. Cross it off. I'm crossing them off on my graphs just to make sure that I don't like double count something. All right, so now we gotta have a 1 1/2. Well, let's see. This is 1 1/2. That one's got 1. This one's got 1. This one's got 1. Oh, goodness. We're gonna have to look at all of them. 3/4. Well, this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This one's got 1. This one's got 1. This one doesn't. Get rid of this one. And we've marked off all our 3/4. Now we're looking for 2 1/4. Oh, 2 1/4 is right here. This one's got one. 2 1/4, this one's got one. 2 1/4, this one's got one. We're gonna cross this off. Oh, this one we couldn't even use anyways. Here, Miss Renfro's gonna scribble it out so she doesn't do that again. All right, so now we're gonna check 1 1/2. All right, 1 1/2. Here's this one. Check this one, 1 1/2. Oh, it had a 2. We have another 1 1/2. All right, so let's see. This one doesn't have another 1 1/2, so this cannot be the answer. But let's check. Does this one have another 1 1/2? It does. Now, don't just assume it's the answer. Check the rest of them. A 1. Does it have a 1? It does. And then a 2. Does it have a 2? It sure does. This has to be your answer. Glue this into your math notebook. You can title it problem solving and today's date, which would be 2-23. So glue that into your notebook and then you can go to the next activity.